What we got here is a Japanese beetle. These little suckers lay their eggs in the ground and they become grub worms. If you ever want to know what they look like, this is what they look like. Look, here's a Japanese beetle. Oh no! He's gonna go kill my lawn! No! Hey, welcome to the Lawn Fix. Welcome to the Lawn Fix. I am Jason, and if you are here to fix your lawn or to feed your lawn addiction, you've come to the right place. Here's the roller that I built using a PVC pipe. You can get all this stuff you can get in a Lowe's or Home Depot. And if you've watched my videos, I've upgraded this. This used to be a lot smaller, and I filled it up with sand, but the sand would come out of the side, so I made it thicker. I stuffed it with marbles inside, and basically this is like a steel pipe that you put across, and you have these whatever these are called. And so I did have it attached to my lawnmower, and I have not been striping because it's very cumbersome, because my lawn is on a hill and in the backyard as well, so this back area right here is really difficult to stripe the lawn. So I've created a roller handle, and from now on, if I want stripes, I'm going to roll my stripes. And this handle I made myself. This was 12 bucks total, and I'm pretty proud of it. I went to Home Depot and they sell this aluminum pipe here, and it comes as a long tall tube, and I needed to bend it, and I didn't want to spend 50 bucks for a tube bender. So I asked the guy at Home Depot if I could just quickly bend it there, and I was gonna buy it no matter what, and that's how I got that curve. I added this rod here in the middle as a support just to keep it rigid, and then aluminum channel pipe here as the brace. All this stuff is made out of aluminum, so it's really light, and basically you just roll it just like this, and it makes a fun sound as well. One of the benefits of using a lawn roller versus attaching it to a lawnmower is that it's not as cumbersome. It's not as heavy, it's very light, and if I'm having guests over and I want to show off my lawn, I just go to the lawn and I roll it. So to create these lines is actually quite simple, and the way you create it is an optical illusion created by the grass laying over one side versus the other. So the dark lines, the grass is laying this way, and the lighter lines, the grass is laying that way. And that's what the roller does, is it flattens the grass to lay it one direction. And the lines depend on the sunlight. So you'll have to figure out which way the sun is rising and setting. So I guess from east to west is what the direction you want to stripe. Check out the vine. It's reached the top. All right, taking this opportunity that the sun set a little bit and it's not as hot, I'm gonna go ahead and mow real quick. I'm gonna mow the opposite direction to erase the lines, and then I'm gonna stripe this way just to show you how easy it is. We have some guests coming for 4th of July, and I want the stripes pointing right at them. So, cue the montage. stripes. All it needs is some sunlight and they pop out. So I don't have a terribly large yard, but some stripes really makes an impact on the look of your lawn. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also, I would appreciate your comments and any suggestions and videos I should make.